Hi everyone, welcome to the 300 Math YouTube channel where we go over solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2001 AMC question number 9. 3-digit powers of 2 and 5 are used in this cross number puzzle. What is the only possible digit for the outline square? So we can just consider all possible 3-digit powers of 2 and 5. So for 2 we have 128, 256, and 512, because once we multiply by 2 again we get to thousands. And for 5 we have 125, 625, and that's it. So we know that 5 to the power of something is what goes down, and that 2 to the power of something is what goes across. Therefore, regardless of whether we have 625 or 125, we know that 2 is our center digit. And the only one of these powers which has 2 as the first digit, is this one, 256, which means that our last digit here, 6, would be this last one, which means D is our answer.